The hearsay rule is supposed to prevent unsworn, unreliable, out-of-court statements from being admitted as evidence. Yet there are so many exceptions to the hearsay rule that some say the exceptions have swallowed the rule. The Eighth Circuit Court of Appeals considered two important exceptions in the 1980 case of United States v. Iron Shell. John Lewis Iron Shell was accused of assault with intent to rape a 9-year-old girl named Lucy. During his trial, two witnesses testified about statements that Lucy made afterward. Mark Hopkins, a doctor who examined Lucy shortly after the assault, testified that during the examination, in response to his questions, Lucy had told him that her assailant dragged her into some bushes, partially removed her clothes, and had put his hands over her mouth and neck, preventing her from screaming. Police officer Barbara Marshall interviewed Lucy about an hour after the assault. Marshall testified that Lucy was quiet and not crying at that point, but also testified that Lucy was scared and nervous, with eyes still red from crying and hair still messed from the assault. Marshall then testified that she asked Lucy what had happened. In response, Lucy haltingly described the assault in detail. Marshall recounted Lucy's statement at trial. Lucy also testified at trial. Over Iron Shell's objections, the district court admitted both witnesses' testimony regarding Lucy's statements. Iron Shell was convicted and appealed to the Eighth Circuit.